Step 1. Remove the resin tank from the printer. Step 2. Unfasten vac guide screws on both sides. Step 3. Open the cover using plastic scraper. Step 4. Lift the LCD panel. Step 5. Using a plastic scraper, loosen the cable connector as shown on the video. After that, take out the used LCD panel. Caution: make sure that the cable does not go down. Step 6. Remove the protective film from both sides of the LCD panel. Step 7. Check the pad under the LCD panel. Place the new LCD panel on the pod and connect the cables. Tip: make sure to wear gloves while replacing the new LCD panel. Place the cable connector facing up. Step 8. After connecting the cables, press the connector for the final fixation. Step 9. Place the LCD panel on and check the proper position of the cables. Close the cover. Tighten the vac guide screws on both sides. Insert the resin tank with the convex side down and start using the printer. Step 10. Make sure to tighten the vac guide screws after combining the tank.